Okay, so hello guys, namaskar. How are you all? Good evening. My name is Hemant Modi and I'm a financial analyst of Olymp Trade broker. A warm welcome to all of you guys in our new consultation, new webinar of YouTube. So today we are going to discuss more about the many things. So let me give you some brief again. Olymp Trade is provided some kind of education program to our traders, those who are the expert or advanced or the starter, that doesn't matter. The basically all our respected traders, how many traders we have, like from India, around the world, they can easily come to us watching our webinar, taking the all details from here and getting the profitability, because we cares you. So obviously we are providing the time to time weekly webinars over here in Hindi, in English and some different languages also. So my name is Hemant Modi. I am a financial analyst of Olymp Trade broker, and here I am going to provide you some more details about the strategies. Obviously we are using the strategies and how the strategies are going to work. So almost I have an experience of around 12 years, which is including with the Olymp Trade as well as the Indian trading market, and I'm just sharing my idea, the things which I'm actually using for my trading. That ideas I'm sharing to the traders, and mostly it works, not 100%, because nothing is confirmed here in the market. So this idea is always going to be helpful for the trader. It depends how you are opening the trades, how you are just understand the things which I am providing to you, and how you just doing practice according to that consultation. So overall, let's discuss about the more things. So the economic news for today, only we have one economic news for today. As the traders who just wanted to open the trades with the economic news, for those this economic news is working well. So today at just a second, let me change the time frame. GMT plus 3. As per GMT plus 3, 5:30 we have a crude oil inventories, which is going to be helpful for the price of Brent. So those who are going to open the trade in fixed time trade and forex with the Brent, it will definitely going to help them. And tomorrow we have some of news about the important data. GMT plus 3 at 3:30, there is a CPI, consumer price index. So core CPI index, consumer price index and CPI data will come of US. It's basically the very important data about the inflation of the particular company. So the data will be released on tomorrow. So please check. So there is a normal way. Actual forecast previous, if the data will come in red, then we can say that it might be a chance to go this asset or this currency is going up. If the data is released, the actual is in red, then there will be a situation that this will going down, might be. And if the data will come in actually black, then nothing, it will go according to that. So for this week about also, let me inform you, on Friday Japan holiday, so there is no activity in Japan about the market. And GMT plus 9, there is a GDP of Great Britain pound, British GDP reports will come, and PPI. Okay, let's not waste more time here and come to our point, which is strategies. So what is the strategies? The strategy is basically a computerized tools which is going to help you to get the signals on trade, and it's actually providing you the signals, that how you will get the signals and how to open the trade with that signals. This is what I'm just going to tell you. So guys, whenever you are going to open the trades with the strategies, so the strategies is basically a combination of the indicators as well as the oscillators. So they are just having kind of collaboration, and with the standard setting they are providing kind of signals. We need to follow that. How to do it? If you are the mobile application holder, then you will see the same button which I am going to press, that is technical analysis, which is just right in front of the asset price. I'm talking about the mobile application. And if you are a laptop or browser user, or computer application user, you need to click over here. There is a technical analysis option. Once you click on the technical analysis, there are the options we have, which is indicator, oscillator, drawing tools, strategies, and advisors. Here what we need to do, we need to just select the strategies. Guys, please remember, these are the strategies which are showing you as per your status. Like if you are only a starter status holder, then you will get a chance to take all these 8 strategies. If you are an advanced status holder, then you will have a chance to get these green strategies also, which belongs to the advanced status. So number of strategies is going to be 15. And if you are the expert status holder, then you will have a chance to get these 8 more strategies. So that all total, if you are an expert status holder, which is our Olymp Trade's prestigious status of the trader, so you will have a chance to get 23 strategies. However, whenever you see there is a strategies, in front of the strategies is written FTT, on the some strategies is written Forex. That means these strategies is only available for the fixed time trade or only the Forex trading market. But most of the strategies we are having with the fixed time trade and Forex as well. So today we are going to discuss about the one of the finest counter trend strategy of the expert status, that is called RODEO. So we click to the strategy, and after that we will have a chance to see a video. Why I'm showing you this video to you? This video is only about not more than 2.5 minutes even. So this video, short video, going to help you to understand the strategy in 2 minutes. However, this YouTube video will be there in this channel, which is for almost more than half hour. So you will also get a chance to see this all details which I am showing to you. So what we need to do, here is a video. After the video, there is a components of the strategy, and here we have we have a basics of the strategy, and here we have the components like stochastic and MACD. What we need to do, we need to click just enable the strategy, and the strategy is going to be set in our account like this. One thing I would like to share with you guys, please do not try to copy my trading, because we have a little bit gap in between you and me. Gap means this is a live streaming, but in the live streaming also there is a minor gap of around less than 1 minute. So maybe at the moment when I open the trades and when you open the trade, we will have maybe a gap of less than 1 minute, maybe 40 seconds, 30 seconds. So please try to not open the trade according to me, like copy the trade of mine. Also the trading is actually very risky, and we are fully responsible for our trading, so we need to be always very careful whenever we are using it. Alright, so I already just select the strategy, and you see that the strategy is going to be set in our account. However, those traders that are not the expert status holders, how they will gonna use this strategy. So if you are an expert, if you are not an expert status holder, I will tell you how you can do it. What you need to do, just you need to follow me. You can change the candlestick pattern from here, Japanese to Heiken Ashi. Then same, you need to go to this technical analysis option, but not to the strategies. You need to go to the oscillators. You need to go to the oscillators, and you need to select stochastic and MACD, because this is oscillators is always with the standard setting. So you need to just check this oscillator, and you can change the MACD, which is from histogram to bars. That's it. Now the strategy is going to be set on our account. Everything is fine. Let's see what is this way and how to open the trades and what exactly the RODEO is. So I am just trying to open the trades with that strategy as well time to time. Please remember that strategy is not the guarantee of the success, guys. So if I will have a some, maybe because I am not also the son of the god, that I will have a chance to get 100% profitability every time. So please be careful with that, and let me give you the proper briefing about the strategy. So as you see that we have a Heiken-Ashi candlesticks on this strategy as well as the stochastic with the 14, 3 and 3 period, and MACD with the 12, 26 and 9 period. So the RODEO basically is a counter trend system which is showing the most probable point of the correction or trend reversal. Means whenever we see there is a reversal in the market or there is a change of the trend in the market, this strategy is work very useful for you. So we need to find a moment of a trend reversal by using the Heiken-Ashi candlesticks and MACD and as well as the stochastic indicator should confirm the signal. How and what, and exactly what is the MACD and what is the stochastic? So basically MACD, the full form of MACD, the first oscillator which you can see over here with the green and red line and blue area chart, that is a MACD, moving average conversion and diversion. The moving average conversion and diversion, basically the short form of the full form of the MACD. MACD basically is the trend following momentum indicator which is showing us a relationship between two moving average of a security or an asset price. Importantly, you need to follow one thing. There is a, when I'm just using my cursor, when I'm putting my cursor over here, you can check it out. There is a horizontal line of level 0. So time to time what we see, this area which is just creating or making a heels, which is just coming down to up, crossing from down to up this horizontal line and crossing from up to down this horizontal line. What happened exactly at the time of crossing, if you can check, once you see this MACD crossing from up to down, and we will have a downtrend properly till here. Till we are not getting the proper upper trend. What exactly the meaning of proper upper trend? The crossover of the horizontal line should be proper. Like here you can see this crossover is coming till here, but it's a flat line. So in that situation we are getting some kind of trend, flat trend we will have. So that's why, and here we saw a small correction which is coming up and we are getting some small upper trend also. But depends of the crossover, you need to open the trade and you need to follow the trend. However, in the MACD basically we have two more lines, green and red. What exactly the meaning of these lines? Basically the green lines 100% matching with the MACD situation, means the green line is actually a MACD line. So as the MACD is moving, this green line is going to be moving with him. But here is the situation, like sir, we have a red line, that red line called a signal line. So importantly we need to follow both line. So these lines, what is the meaning of these lines? Actually this line, it shows when it's a cross above, like the green line, when the green line crossing the red line from down to up, and we saw that, if you can check it out over here, once this green line cross the red line from down to up, we also get a area chart is become above on the horizontal level. So this is the point for the buying, and once we see the line, the green line crossing the red line from up to down, this is the point of selling, means a downtrend. However, please remember one thing, whenever you are going to open the trade by using this crossovers, please accept and remember one thing, as much as gap you will get with these lines, that means you will receive the better signals. If you see the lines are too close, then there is not too much actually signals building over here. So, and one more thing, remember the crossover also. Just like I'm showing you right now on this period, when I'm just putting my cursor on round, this is a sharp crossover which is coming from down to up sharply, and from here which you can see, this is the crossover coming with the smallest situation and then crossover for downtrend. So that is actually not a proper. You need to wait for the proper thing and again open the trade. Alright. So the MACD indicator basically also having one thing. Let me inform you that MACD oscillator was created by Mr. Gerald Apple in the 1970s. So let's discuss about the stochastic also. Now basically the stochastic oscillator is a bounded oscillator. It's a completely bounded oscillator. That stochastic oscillator is building in a separate window below the graph. So it is represented by the two curves. The indicator values range from 0 to 100 as you see, but by default way we are getting the range as per the situation like 80 to 20. So this indicator value is just showing us a overbought and oversold zone. The range of 80 which is having a red line, the range of 80 which is having a red line showing the trend that if the line is going, okay, this both lines we have that blue and kind of red line you can see over here. The intersection of the lines themselves is used the stochastic indicator. So you can observe the exit from the overbought and oversold zone and diverge the stochastic and a price. How to know? How to know? So basically whenever we are getting this situation like these both line, this blue line is always crossing the red line from down to up, up to down. In that situation you can see this is a chart when this blue line is already reaching the level 30 right now exactly, which I am showing to you. That means the price now is in the oversold zone, means the price is already oversolded, and we assume that like maybe the trend is going to be changed from here and we will have an upper trend. On the same way, when you see this chart which is coming up like before we are getting that commodity composite index, here we already saw the lines, both lines, green and red and blue lines, both lines are above the level 80. That means the price is already in the overbought zone. The price is already overboughted and soon we will have a chance when we will get a trend for a downtrend. How to get this downtrend or upper trend conditions? So as you see below before, you can see over here the blue line coming up and then the blue line crosses the red line and comes to the trading area. The trading area is between the 18 to 20 zone. The lines coming to the trading area, that means here we can say okay, we are having a trend. On the same purpose, when you saw from downside, the blue line crosses the red line and enters and crossing the green line and just coming out from the oversold zone. So we will have a chance to open a trade for an upper trend. But remember one thing, this strategy belongs to the 3 signal scenario. We need to follow 3 signals over here, and if one signal, any single signal is not matching, then we will not going to open the trade. And the theory is that we need to open the trade like one signal one trade system, because in the reversal pattern or the counter trend system we can open the trade with this. Alright, so let's find some signals over here. So now we have 2 signals, but one signal is not matching to. So what is the 2 signal right now we have? The candle is red, which is showing a downtrend position. The stochastic is already crosses the red line and enters the trading area, which is in between to 80 to 20. But MACD is still on the upper zone. We need the MACD is also going to be cross the line of horizontal way, means below the 0 line, and this green line should be cross the red line from up to down. But we are not having that, then we will move for the next asset. Guys, let me inform you one more thing. This situation happened with us whenever we are just focusing only on the one asset. Mostly peoples are just focusing on the either the high profitable percentage asset or as they comfortable like on asset of any indexes or all. So we need to regularly change the asset. Okay, as you see, this trend is already coming on that area. The 3 signals are matching, but the line is already reaching that path. Okay, let me open one trade and let's see what happened. I just put the graph time 2 minutes. However, there is a level also. So if you can check the last candle which is actually running right now, and before the candle, these are not crossing this way. So maybe we can find the reversal from here, or it's crossing, but you can check. I mean, what you should not do, this is I am showing, you should not going to open the trade on that path. If you can open, then please reduce the time of your trading. Usually we are just suggesting that if you choose the graph time 1 minute, then you can open the trading time with 2 to 5 minutes, but 3 minute and 4 minute is a 3 minute actually average time, which is good. But when you can already observe, when you can see the green line is already near to the red line, then please decrease your graph time, trading time. I'm so sorry. Like if you are choosing the 1 minute time frame, then decrease the graph time like 2 minutes. You can open the trade, or even 1 minute you can open the trade. In case the line is very near to the zone of overbought or oversold, only in this situation. Please do not open the trade like with the 1 minute graph time and 1 minute time frame also. Don't do this, please. So this is how we can open the trade. All three signals are matching over here. The candle was green, MACD was above the line, and stochastic was also just near to the, just crosses the oversold zone and coming to open the trade on the starting candles. Please remember. So this is the starting candle right now where the cursor is. So you can open the trade, all three signals. As starting you can open the trade, you will get the better signal, and as early you are getting the profitability. So one signal, second trade, till here you can open the trade. See, right now the line is already near to the red line, and we saw the lines is all the lines of stochastic blue line is already start moving. So we are having a profitable trade. So please do not open the trade when you see this situation, like all the line is already crossed the overbought zone, or line is already crossed the oversold zone, and we can start the trade. Let's find some more signals on the trading, guys. Just give me some time. Also remember one thing, the candles are the strategies are basically a tool which is showing you the probable point and kind of some prediction situation. It doesn't mean that we are getting 100% success rate. Now I have a very good example here. The stochastic has already reached the place, then we are getting a signal of MACD. That means do not open the trade here. Please do not open the trade here, because when we saw already the line is already start moving, the stochastic blue line, as you can see, the already start moving and curving, and now we are getting the signal of MACD. So maybe what happened in the 2-3 minutes, the MACD is already going below the line, and we are getting a downtrend signal. So let's wait for it. For downtrend signal, what we need to do, same opposite direction as per the upper trend. And what is that? Candle should be red. MACD should be below the horizontal level of 0, and the green line should cross the red line from up to down. If all three signals are matching, then we can open the trade. However, there is a small condition of signal we having. Okay, one person asking me that how to know the trend will be flat trend. Sir, now you can see it. I open a trade, the candles are dicey, and the both line, MACD line and stochastic line, the both lines are too close. The crossover which I am talking about, which is actually not done properly because the line are too close. So if the line are too close, that means the trend might be dicey. In that case, we need to follow the basics. And what is the basics? The basics is just wait till the candle going to be finished. If the candle is going to be finished, then we will get the signal like this candle is crossing the line from, the MACD curve is already crossing the line from up to down, or it's going to be reverse. Means I open the trade. I opened the trade over here for downtrend without confirming the signal. This signal MACD was flat, and I open a downtrend, and what happened? The trend actually changed. So what exactly I could need to do? I could wait for this candle. because if I could wait on that moment when I saw the dicey situation, there is no space in between green and red line, and here also red and blue line. So if I could wait on that moment, maybe I could not open that trade also. So this is how we can find the trend is flat will be become or not. That's why we are having this all strategies, all indicators, because that all strategies and indicators very much helpful for the situation to find the way of the trend. If we are getting a proper upper trend, if we are getting a proper downtrend, then how we can find over here? We can find only to just using them. All right, I'm going to open more trades with you. Till that time, let me provide you more details about the RODEO strategy. So this is not about only the RODEO strategy, guys. Basically, what happened whenever we are opening the trades, what exactly we are doing? We are just trying to open the trade according to our perception, according to our mind. Like I'm providing you right now the situation, like how to open the trade, where to open the trade. But this is actually not your fault. This is a kind of the problem of emotions, because whenever we are start trading, we are just fulfilled with the emotions after 4-5 successful trade or after 4-5 unsuccessful trade. In that condition, what happened actually? In that condition, we are trying to just reject the natural theory of the candlesticks, and we are just or strategy, and we are just trying to use the strategy as per our own way. Like mostly people using the 5-second graph time, and they are actually trying to open the trades with the 5-second graph and with the 5-second trading time as well. Also, like what people are using, that they are putting the 1 minute graph time and using the strategy with the 1 minute time frame. This is absolutely not a proper way of the trading. General way, in the general way, I'm saying you the basic things. Like any candlestick, doesn't matter it's Heiken-Ashi candlesticks or Japanese candlesticks. Basically, the law of the candlestick can say that if you open the graph time, whatever the time frame, doesn't matter, 5 seconds to 1 month, doesn't matter. I'm talking about the graph time. Your trading time should be 2 to 5 times higher than your graph time. Please remember this thing. Your trading time should be 2 to 5 times higher than your graph time. Means if I open the trade for 1 minute, if I open the graph time for 1 minute, then my trading time should be 2 to 5 minutes. If I open the graph time 5 minutes, then we should open the trade for at least minimum 10 to 25 minutes. This is the basics of the candlestick, not only about this strategy. Like we having a Brent over here. In the Brent, the graph time is actually automatically calculated with the 5 minute time frame. So what we need to do, we need to click minimum with the 10 minutes, and then once the candle start, we should start the trading with that. One more important thing, please note down, guys, and please understand, whenever you see this kind of correction in between the stochastic, that is cause of the flat trend or maybe uncertain, the trend of uncertainty. If you remember that, I'm always discussing about it. Whenever you see the candles are not so long, not so big, even not so small, but one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red. So on that moment, we are getting this kind of situation, which is we are having over here in the middle of the stochastic. As smoothly stochastic coming from up to down or down to up, we are getting a better signals. As smoothly it's going, and as disturbing situation, it's come stochastic from up to down or down to up. Right now, as you see the candles. One more thing, from before open the trade, always check the candles of previous candles. Like previous trend which you saw, that is uncertain trend or that is a proper trend. Like here the trend coming, there is a only single trend coming, and if you open the trade, you could get a profitable trades. But if you can check the previous condition, last 4, 5, 6 condition, and you can check the stochastic, so the trend is overall flat. Whenever we are getting a flat trend, in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 candles maybe, or maximum 10 candles, you will get a signal for an upper trend, or either you will get the signal for a downtrend. This is how the way is working. So importantly, whenever we are just going to open the trade, Remember the thing that whenever you need to open the trade, you need to follow the things like a period of high market activity means a better signal. Now, what is the meaning of high market activity and what is the meaning of better signal? High market activity means if you are getting a trend, like trend which is coming from down to up or trend which is coming from up to down. If you are getting a trend like one candle green, one candle red, flat trend, that is called a low market activity. And whenever you see the low market activity on any asset, if you can see this kind of situation, then please change the asset and open the trade. I last opened the trade with the strategy, and I just before that I opened the trade with the 10 USDT. I recover my amount and I got a profitability. Where I got open the trade? So I opened the trade exactly on the same path with the 3 signal and I got a profitability, guys. All 3 signals are matching. So you just need to follow. Don't try to change it, please. Because mostly whenever we are just trying to do some different type of improvisation, we are getting actually uncertain signals or uncertain, situations on our trades. Just follow the things, please. If you are going to follow the things, definitely you will have a chance to get some profitability on your trades, guys. If you are not going to follow the things and you are trying to just that market is going to follow you, because mostly this has happened. Please don't try this. We are here to earn the money, and for earning we need to learn. There is a combination. If you are in a rush to earn the money, if you are in hurry, then you need to think about many things, about the circumstances, because any of the condition, whatever we are doing in our life, the learning is most important thing. So as per the recommendation also, please remember, you can open the trade by using the strategy in 24 hours, doesn't matter. Within 24 hours, anytime you can open the trade. But exactly the time? The best time is basically as per GMT plus 3, 10 AM to evening 8 PM. As per Indian Standard Time, I can say 12:30 to 10:30. Afternoon 12:30 to evening 12:30, and GMT plus 3, as I mentioned, 10 to 8. Please try to avoid trading during the economic market news. Any of the market news which is coming, try to avoid the trading on that time. If you are not aware about that, if you don't know that how to open the trade with that, if you are already aware about that, you can open the trade, doesn't matter. And also please open the trade. Okay, whenever you are just going to open the trade, please click there on the 80% mark. So you will have a chance to get minimum 80 to maximum 92% profitability. Do not open the trade with minimum less than 80%, like 50, 70, 30. Don't waste your money on this, because they are not providing even the proper capability of the profitability. So don't waste your money over here. Also, you will open the trade with the forex by using the strategy. How? Choose any asset of forex, any of whatever you like. Let's suppose I choose the Asia Composite Index, and the graph time should be 15 minute to 4 hour. Doesn't matter. It's completely depends to you. But minimum 15 minute graph time you need to choose in forex, and maximum it's going to be 4 hour. And here you can see, like whenever you choose the graph time a little bit higher, then you will find a better trade and signals also. A complete package, upper trend, down trend, smooth signals you are, but this actually wants some kind of patience in the life. Because if we are choosing the graph time of 4 minutes, then the minimum our trading time, if we are going to open with the FTT, it should be 8 hours. However, if you open the trade with forex, maybe you will get the result earlier than 8 hours. So you can choose like the same formula, same process is over here. Whenever you see you get all 3 signals for upper trend, open the trade for upper trend. If you get the trend for down, open the trade for down trend. So this is how we can open the trade with that. Last strategy I opened, that is also profitable. You can check it out. using the martingale system, loss compensation system, basically is a best way to recover your losses. That what is the martingale system actually? I am just providing you as per my trading, and this is my trade, guys. These are all my trades. I am opening the trades in the day basis, and I am getting a profitability, and in the last moment in the day, I mean when at the end of the day, I recover my losses most of the time, and I am getting a small or big but some profitability. So how this martingale system is working? Okay, let me give you the example as per the, if you have the $1,000 in your account or 500 USDT in your account. Let's suppose you have 500 USDT dollar in your account. So just pretend that this is a 5 USDT. However, it's 50. Sorry. So I opened the trade with the 50 USDT, which is negative. Then I open the next trade with the 100 USDT, which is again negative. So this is the trade number 2. Then I open the third trade, which is the 200 USDT, and that was also a unsuccessful trade. So there is a 3 continuous unsuccessful trade with the 3-minute time frame. Then I open the last trade with the $500. However, it could be 200 to 500, depends on the profitability of the asset, but I choose 500. That was actually the last trade, and I got the profitability on that trade. So the loss was 500, 100, 200 is actually $350 USDT. I'm so sorry, and I got the profitability of, I got a profitability of $450. From that, I recover my 350, and 100 USDT is pure profit. Even after that, I open the trade and I am doing the same. 50, 100. Once 100 positive, then again with the lower amount. Same I did today. I opened the trade in front of you with the 10. That trade was positive, then I again open with the 10. If negative, then I open with the 25. Actually, I had a risk-free trade and then I'm using it. So I just got a profitability. So 10 USDT recovered, and 10 USDT I got the profitability. Then again, you can check it out over here. And for guys those who very much want to earn the money in quick way, I'm not saying that you should not going to open the trade in 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Important thing is learning. You need to learn. Please learn the trade. You can see all the trades. Whenever you see that I'm using the trading like the same way, 50, 200 recovery, then again recovery, then again recovery, you can also do it. Just you need to have some patience, and definitely the result will going to be changed, and follow the instructions. However, if you wanted to learn more, there is a help section over here. In the help section, we have a help center option. In the help center, we have 3 segments. One, user guide, which belongs to your account and profile. Second, trading tutorials. The trading tutorials basically belongs to the all trading formulas. So how to start the trading, forex guide, fixed time trade strategies, fixed time trade guide, fixed time trade strategies, stocks market, chart, indicator, oscillator, strategies, each and everything is there. Just need to expend some time over here. In a daytime, like if you are opening the trades for 5 hours, 3 hours, just give your 10-15 minutes to learn these things. You can easily change the language by your computer application or web browser also. So we have it many things over here. So this is the strategy, guys. I hope that you already learned that how to open the trade with the strategy. Let's have some question answer round. Syed Moin, brother, we are good. Nice to hear, sir. What about you, sir? I am also fine. Thank you so much for asking. Ishaq, why VU name is no, it's not Ishaq, it's Ikshan. I'm sorry, sir, I didn't get you. If you are asking about my name, so my name is Hemant Modi. Ishaq AGC. I'm so sorry, sir, I didn't get you. Sabarjit Kaur, sir, my account closed by the Olymp Trade. Please open my accounts. Sabarjit ji, I'm sorry to hear about your inconvenience, but it could be a reason to close your account. So kindly contact to the support department. They will definitely give you the reply that what exactly the reason behind of the closing your account. If there is a situation like you didn't complete the KYC or anything, just complete and follow the things, and you will have a chance to get your account back. Or if there is a violation which is you made, I'm so sorry, unfortunately I didn't know, then they are also going to give you the reply on the same, that why exactly you are getting the blocking of your account. Louis German, hello sir. Rahul Khemnani, sir, namaskar, how are you? Ivan, how to know the trend will be flat or trend? Sir, I already told you. Just follow. Doesn't matter you open the trades with this strategy or any of the strategy. You need to follow the actually trend, and especially lines, or MACD basically is the very common oscillator. Whenever you see the line are going to be flat near to the horizontal line, then this is going to be a flat trend. Ochai Zoshi, why is it some of the assets like Astro Index is not showing in my account? Are their assets are not allowed on some reason? I'm in Nigeria. I'm so sorry, sir, but actually you are right. So there is some advantage for the employee of the Olymp Trade. So because I am the employee here, so I having all the indexes, but actually that Astro indexes belongs right now the Mooch index, which you can see, that is belongs to the India. So we have the different asset as per the different countries. That's why you are not getting it. Thank you so much. Ayub Khan ji, best platform. Thank you so much, sir. Samarth Deshpande, sir, when we will paid customer strategy appears again? I didn't get your question, sir. When we will paid custom strategies? Okay. Okay. You are asking about the custom strategies, which is over here, sir. If you are asking like this, I think the strategies is going to be back soon. Right now we don't have the custom strategies options available. Oh, there is a strategy that started already. Custom strategies. So you can easily buy the custom strategies from the market. No problem. Okay, Shubham Pal, can we use the Japanese candle in the RODEO? Sir, I suggest you to not use, because whenever you are using any kind of formulas, any kind of things, there is a separate things and separate formulas for that particular thing. So here in this strategy, we prefer to use the Japanese RODEO strategy. Heikin-Ashi candlestick, because the Heikin-Ashi candlestick, remember, colors always matter. Why? Because in the Japanese candlestick we are getting the trend as per the color sequence. In the Heikin-Ashi candlestick we are getting the trend as per the color sequence, but in Japanese candlestick not. So, and the first signal for uptrend and downtrend we are getting actually from the Heikin-Ashi. So please do not change it. Rakib ji, in March I have started trading with the Euro 50. Now my net worth is 13,460 euro. Oh, nice. Sir, my congratulations to you. Well, my story is quite similar to you, and I'm not going to tell you that how much is that, because I was like a trader like you, and I also started and I had some losses. Then a person, now the things is very much high, like you have a YouTube webinar, you have a Zoom webinar, this and that. On that time it was not, there is only a personal consultation for the VIP traders also. So I'm just getting, and I didn't hear that person, but when I start here to that person, the things are really changed. And absolutely right, sir. The money management and the patience level, we need to follow it properly. If you follow, definitely you will get better. Okay. Also one more thing, guys. FTT trader, love you, sir. Tell me about trading emotion control. Very nice question. So trading emotions, guys, this is the situation whenever we are doing some kind of trading, like the emotions always inbuilt with the trading or anything. Whenever we are opening the 4-5 trade which is positive, so we consider ourselves like we are invincible, we can't lose anymore, and that situation is just a situation which is providing us an excitement or over excitement or overconfidence, and that is actually the problem at the moment. So please remember, if you are getting 4 successful or 4 unsuccessful trade, please take a small break from the trading. Or in a daytime, like you are having a trades with the $1,000 or whatever the amount of the deposit, and if you are getting 20% profitability already in your account, 20, 50, some people are getting even more than 100% profitability, stop the trading and just take the withdrawal, guys. Why we are getting unsuccessful trades? Because if we already recover our amount and if we having 100% profitability, 200%, and we just wanted to earn all the money, I just want all the money today, don't know, maybe tomorrow is the judgment day. So please, whenever you are getting the money, please withdraw the money from your account as well. Okay. Samar Deshpande, yes sir, custom free strategies available, not available to sell, paid ones. It was giving some extra income to all. You are right sir, but actually the situation is till now we didn't have this option, and thank you so much for this suggestion. I'll definitely tell this suggestion to our organizers. How to recognize the entry point? Yeah, nice question. Entry point. So as you saw, I opened this trade and I opened the trade on the starting of the candle. If you choose the graph time 1 minute, then please try to open the trade with the signal and try to open the trade in first 10 seconds or maximum 20. I suggest you to open the trade at the beginning of the candle. Whenever you are getting the signal, just open the trade. That's it. And you will get the signal and open the trade. If you see already the candles is past 20 seconds, means it's already moved in the 30s, then do not open the trade, wait for the next candle. So that is entry point. How to use Olymp Trade bonus? You can use the Olymp Trade bonus, sir. Whenever you are just making a deposit, you will get some bonuses. You can only use the bonus, unfortunately, when your all main deposit amount is vanished. On that time, you can only use the bonus. You cannot withdraw the bonus. However, you can withdraw the money, which is you can earn with the bonus trading. So one more thing to you guys. We are getting some kind of complaints, like people are just saying that they are from Olymp Trade and they are asking that we are going to teach you, we are going to provide you some signals and this and that all, and you need to pay some money. Let me inform you that Olymp Trade didn't ask any single money for learning. If any person who is not belongs to the Olymp Trade, who is not official person of the Olymp Trade, asking you for any money, please complain about him to the support team and do not trust him. If you are going to trust him, so this is completely your own call. Olymp Trade is not going to be responsible for that, because again I am repeating, Olymp Trade didn't ask about any money for any kind of learning sessions and things. So thank you so much for today's session, guys. Nice to talk with you all. Have a nice day. Please take care. Best of luck for your trading. Namaste. Jai Hind.